Welcome to the installation guide for the OneTouch OT160 Smart Digital Door Lock. First, create the door cutout using the cutout template provided inside the lock packaging. Ensure all dimensions are marked accurately before cutting. Next, prepare the mortise. Adjust the latch direction according to whether your door is left-handed or right-handed. Once adjusted, insert the mortise into the door cutout and secure it firmly using the provided screws. Now, let's move to the outer panel. Adjust the handle direction according to your door opening side. Once the handle is positioned correctly, install the fixing screws on the opposite side of the handle direction as shown. Repeat the same process for the inner panel as well. Now you will find a sturdy metal rod included in the box. Cut the central rod according to your door thickness and insert it through the mortise. Before mounting the outer panel, insert the safety pins into the designated slots on both sides of the lock. Then, pass the connector cable through the door to the inner side and position the outer panel in place. Connect the cable to the inner panel and insert the spring into the center handle slot. Carefully align the central rod and safety pins with the corresponding slots on the inner panel. Now position the inner panel onto the door and ensure all components are properly aligned and connected. Take the two panel fixing screws and cut them according to the door thickness. Secure the inner and outer panel together using these screws. Finally, insert the batteries into the battery compartment. Your OneTouch OT160 Smart Digital Door Lock is now installed and ready to use because OneTouch carefully crafted the security solutions for every Indian home.